Hey, what's up? It's Brian here. Just wanted to do a quick video. I know I'm driving, but I'm not going to look at you. And I got my hands, I'm focused on the road. Quick question, because I've come to realize that a lot of you homeowners aren't aware of how cheap it is to get this installed. And what I'm talking about is a single outlet that you plug your generator. So your generator has multiple outlets, right? It'll have a couple of the regular wall outlets that are all throughout your house, and then it'll have a circular outlet, and it'll be a 30 amp. And then if you have the bigger generators, portable generators, well, I think once you hit around the 9,000 watt, maybe a little under 10,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, it'll have a 50 amp plug, which will look different than the others. If you have that, all that you need to do is have an outlet installed, either a 30 amp or a 50 amp outlet installed right under your panel, which is so easy to do. And then buy the cord off Amazon, the generator cord, and then you could plug in the cord to your generator to that outlet when you lose power, and then you basically can power everything on your panel that it can power. So you would obviously have to turn off your AC, depending on the size of the generator. You would turn off your AC, your dryer, your oven, but you could literally turn on all of the outlets, that lighting, fans, TVs, all of that, without having to run 1,000 extension cords or without backfeeding your panel. And it's not thousands of dollars. It's pretty cheap. A lot of the customers that I mentioned this to have been getting it done. I mean, I've got it's crazy how many people are doing it. It's just so much better. You just pull the generator out, you plug the cord in, plug it into the outlet that I install, you turn off all the breakers, and when you turn on the generator and you're powering it, you would turn on the stuff that you want, instead of only being able to turn on a couple of things because you only have so many extension cords and they can only be ran as far and blah, blah, blah. So if you're interested in this, let me know, because it really makes a huge difference when you get that done. So if you have any questions, write in the comments or give me a call or email me. The email is portablegeneratorservices, all one word, @gmail.com. And my phone number is 954-649-7412. All right, I'll talk to you guys later on.